was easy going road. Life was anything but fair, but somehow we didn't